Hi, this is Delta Victorious. I'm here to read another poem from my book, Solitary Airs. But first, check out the books of Marcus Bruce, The Amazing Adventures of Jimmy Jumpferjoy, 2234, February 15, 2017, in a truck blue barrel. In a truck blue barrel. I feel like a truck in a blue barrel. I'm so cloistered and stifled. The money seems to disappear like frightened deer. Money running away like frightened, startled birds on a stormy, rainy day. The money, it just goes falling off a cliff, and I'm stuck in this enclosure, ready for adventure and mystery. I'm ready to travel and see sights, ready to climb mountains and to take flight, soaring to new ethereal heights. But instead, I'm a museum piece. I'm tied down, insulated. My dreary dreams mock me. They mock me as I find myself transformed into a mouse in a wide field, running. The same old song goes on and on and on. My hidden terror is that these desperate letters will die inside my mind. But hope springs eternal, ever hopeful, and I think of that new spring, a new beginning, a fresh existence. But here I stay, burning down another day. And as the light fades, I pray for escape. A daring, evading diadem, a diagram that will set me free, like finding buried treasure, or winning the freaking lottery, or finding an invisible cloak that will liberate me. My vision is fading. That awful dread is creeping in again. Silence is a stark pit of insidious vipers that lunge and bite while hissing with their thin lips. Dying again, I am for absolution. Trying again to find freedom. Another dawn begins, and here I am again. Here I am again, far from the prospect of true liberation. And that was poem number 2234, February 15, 2017, in a truck blue barrel. And now, check out the books of Marcus Bruce, The Amazing Adventures of Jimmy Jumpferjoy. This is Delta Victorious, the unsung poet. I thank you.
Burning down another day, and as the light fades, I pray for escape.